Hi, how are you? Today we're going to see exactly how to effectively remove a hold on your Chase bank account. And well, this particular process is actually pretty simple. What we ultimately have to do is very easy to accomplish. We're going to go to the Chase website. And well, the point of this is so we can get in touch with Chase support so they can remove the hold status from our bank account, okay? From our bank account. So here on the page, when we log in, we're going to see this button right here. With this particular button, what we are going to do very carefully is to look for the available options, right? The various options that are presented to us to request assistance or help regarding this current status or situation. Here we have what would be this option here, this number right here. And what we absolutely need to do is promptly call this important number so that they can effectively assist us with providing an update on this current status. Okay, so we will carefully copy this precise phone number and then proceed to make the call, right? We're going to make a call. It is indeed a rather complicated situation, but with the careful selection of the appropriate words, we can certainly request the absolutely necessary assistance and support right here. And well, that's it. If this video helped you, please comment and subscribe.